There is nothing so tranquil as the quiet solitude of nature's wilderness. The gentle hush, interrupted only by the songbird and the...
If I told you once, I told you 1,000 times. I'm sick and tired of this kind of life. You expect me to live out here in this God-forsaken wilderness? You can at least get me some pretty things to wear.
But dear, you have a whole closet full of mink coats.
Mink, schmink. Out here, they're a dime a dozen. I want a hat with pretty feathers like this. Go out there and trap a bird with pretty feathers.
Excuse me, mister. Is this the way to the big redwood forest?
Yeah, you go that way to the dry creek and turn right and just follow the moose tracks.
Thank you, Big Nose.
Uh-oh. Get up, George. Did you see that bird go by? Did you see those feathers? That's what I want. Now get going and trap that bird before he gets away.
I'm sorry, Woodpecker, but my wife wants these red feathers, and I'm gonna take them.
Ow! 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 What do you mean you didn't get the feathers?
Well, no, he got away, and he pecked my nose, too. Would you settle for some pussy willows, Mildred?
Now go back there, George, and catch that red-headed bird.
Uh-oh, here he comes.
Here we go gathering nuts in May, nuts in May, nuts in May. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-da.
Huh?
What's the matter, Trapper? Something wrong with your trap?
Gee, I don't know.
Mind if I try it? Let's give it one final test.
Ow! 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 Ow!
This is my best plan. I'll catch that bird in my king-size rat trap. Let's see. What'll I use for bait?
How about an acorn?
I think I'll use an acorn.
Oh, look. There's an acorn. It's too small. Wish I had an apple.
I'll get an apple.
An apple. No, I don't feel like an apple. I'd rather have a cantaloupe. I know what I want. A great big watermelon.
Just the old box and stick trap will do the trick. I'll use a banana for bait.
Oh, boy, my favorite fruit.
Uh-oh. I got him. Huh? Hey, where are you at?
Why don't you give up, Trapper? You're taking an awful beating.
Yeah, I know. But my wife will kill me if I don't get her that new hat.
Well, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I will make the supreme sacrifice. You wait right here. Here you are, pal. This will make a big hit.
Thank you, feathered friend. I'll bet this'll surprise Mildred.
It sure will, Trapper.
Surprise, Mildred. Here's your new hat.
Oh, goody. Let me have it.
Close your eyes.
I can hardly wait to see it. Ah! You just wait till I get out of here, George. I'm gonna fix you good. You just wait. Do you hear me, George?
Yes, dear. I'm sorry, dear.